The product of two numbers is 12960 and their HCF is 36. How many such pairs can be formed? Now HCF is 36, so we can assume the two numbers to be 36x and 36y. Now it is given that product of two numbers is 12960. That means 36x multiplied by 36y is equal to 12960. So therefore, we can divide both sides by 36. So if we divide 12960 by 36, we will again get 36 itself and one more zero. So that is 360. If we divide again by 36, we will get 10. So therefore, we have xy is equal to 10. Now, how many pairs are there whose product is 10? So we can say that the pairs are 1 into 10 or 2 into 5. Now we can count both these pairs because both of them are co-prime pairs. In such questions, the pairs should always be co-prime numbers. Only then we can count them. So therefore, we can say that there are two such pairs whose product is 12960 and HCF is 36. The numbers would be 36 and 360, and the numbers over here will be 72 and 180.